Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to fix Facebook dating not showing. So when we open our Facebook application and then tap on our profile picture at the top right corner of our screen, okay, and then tap on the see more if you cannot see the dating option. So now just tap on the dating option, okay, so you can see that in here. So this feature in Facebook is 100% free. So you don't have to pay anything in order to use this, okay? But if you cannot find this feature in Facebook, so we'll try to fix that. So the first thing that you will have to do is to know the limitation of this feature. So first of all, you need to be 18 and above first before you can have the feature. And then um at least have a Facebook account in good standing that is at least 30 days old, okay? And then live in a country where this feature is available. So you can see here the different countries that is the Facebook dating is available, okay? So you'll have to live in one of these countries. Now the second option that you can do, okay, if you have all of these requirements, just go to your phone settings and then go to the apps. Okay, let's look for the apps. Okay, it's here. Then tap on manage apps and then look for your Facebook application. Okay, just use the search bar. And then tap on Facebook. Okay, you can tap on the clear cache or and install the application so that you will have a fresh version of this application. Okay, so you just have to download this application again in your Play Store or App Store. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorial in the future. Bye bye.